I'm pretty certain that my maintenance calories are somewhere around 3,800, and here's why. I've been tracking calories since 2014 or 2015. It's been so long I can't even really remember, to be honest. Every single time I bulk and I cut, I use a number somewhere around 3,800 calories as my maintenance, and I unequivocally have lost or gained almost exactly the amount of weight that I would expect using that number as my base maintenance. On top of that, I made 2 videos in 2020 where I spent an entire month tracking my calorie intake super closely. This one where I drank whiskey every day for a month, and this one where I ate pizza every day for a month. And I calculated my maintenance calories based on the amount of weight that I lost at the end of both of these experiments, and in one of them it came out to around 36 something, and in the other one it came out to around 37 something. And I know for a fact that there were foods and calories that I did not track, so I know those numbers were not 100% accurate, so I know my maintenance is probably above 36 or 37, so that's why I use 38, and it's worked. And this is why you customize your calories to yourself and to what you are getting in terms of results. And don't listen to other people like this guy when they tell you what your maintenance are. The only way you can really figure out what your maintenance calories are is by doing what I just described. Tracking your weight and calories over a long span and then determining how much weight you lost or gained, and there's your maintenance right there.